Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 10, 11 white screen with cursor problem. First method is press Ctrl, Alt, and Delete keys. Click Task Manager. Click File, click Run New Task, type Explorer.exe. Second method is press Ctrl, Alt, and Delete keys, click Task Manager. Click File, click Run New Task, type Regedit, check Create this task with administrative privileges. Click and expand HKey local machine, click and expand software, click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows NT, click and expand current version. Click WinLogon, open shell string, change value data to Explorer.exe. Click File, click Run New Task, type shutdown space, -R space, -F space, -T space 00. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.